Hey, Rudy.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because you already know if you don't subscribe, you ugly sis. So I really just wanted to post something. So I went in my room, saw that my vanity was junky. I said, bet, I'll make a video about that. If y'all hear heavy breathing, that is my dog. I'm sorry. So as you can see, I am cleaning off my shelf and I put all of my liquid bottles up there. It gets everything out the way for me. So I started making flowers. I got these flowers from Joann's. They had an amazing sale and I just thought it was so cute. When I get bored, I get really creative. So I just do anything that sparks my creativity. So this is a jewelry holder that I have that I bought from Hobby Lobby. Thought it was too cute because whenever it has anything to do with makeup, I gotta buy it. You already know. So the reason why I was out the YouTube game for so long was because of this sty on my eye that I hated to death. It ruined everything. I wanted to do so many makeup looks and that thing ruined it for me. These few products that I'm showing you right now are from Five Below. Oh my God, that store is like the dollar store for me. I just lose my mind in there. Those were some more flowers that I made from Joann's. I thought they were so freaking cute. It's funny because I always have something to say, but today I don't have nothing to say. I don't know what story to tell. I don't know what to talk about. Oh my God. Let's talk about how much hair is on my head. Let's talk about that. Oh my God, it was too much. I don't know why I keep doing long hair knowing I don't want that mess on my head. It's too hot for that. We live in Houston, Texas. It's hot. Oh, that was a birthday card from my parents. Oh, this is ASMR. Yeah, but that wine that was in that cup, this is the bottle it was from. It's from Aldi. You guys, they had a sale on that Aldi wine for like $2.99. Guess who scooped that? Me. But now we're just going to clean out my drawers because they desperately need it. Oh, that was my first colorful palette I ever bought. Like, first ever. Because I was scared of color back in the day. Did y'all know that it only takes not even a second for you to click subscribe? Yeah, that palette was boo-boo. I threw it away. Like, y'all might see me throw away a couple of things throughout this video. Well, really, this part of the video. I have so many palettes, and I rarely use all of those palettes. Sometimes I get stuck on one and just keep using that one, like James Charles. But I haven't used, like, half of those palettes in, like, a long freaking time. So we're pretty much finishing up on this side of the vanity drawer. Going on to the next side and just taking everything out because as you can see, all of that stuff it's just scattered. So these little containers are from Five Below and I really love them. They're actually not containers. They're like little drawer dividers or like, wow, I just lost the word for it. Organizers. There you go. They're organizers. I really thought they were cute. I wanted to buy some more, but I said, let me just stick with those, see how they fit, and you'll see how I liked it at the end. So I really dump a lot of my extra stuff in this drawer. So as you can see, I'm wiping it up because it got dirty really fast. So for the bigger organizer, I'm going to put in my lashes because I have a ton of those. Still have not opened those regular size lashes because obviously your girl want to fly away all the time. So in this next organizer, I'm putting all my lipsticks in there. And on the other side, I forgot what else I was putting on the other side. Oh yeah, like my blush, my highlighter. What else do I be putting in there? Oh yeah, the contour, all that good stuff. Okay, so now we're moving on to the other pink organizer. That's where I'm going to put like my eyeshadow base, the glue whenever I do my SFX makeup, you know, stuff like that. Oh yeah, and those neon eyeshadows too. I pretty much just threw them in there and cut that part out. And now we're just kind of throwing everything into place. The soap that I use when I do soap brows, my makeup bag, all that. I just want y'all to know we throwing away beauty blenders. It's all about the disposable sponges. Okay, sis? We trying to prevent breakouts. We trying to prevent holding bacteria. And that's on period. Emmett wanted to pop in and say, hey, that's who was waving. And of course, Bear invading privacy and wanting to be loved on because we are just alike. We're actually both Geminis, or as Wesley would say, Gembalis. Now I'm going to wipe up my vanity with a makeup wipe because it is a white vanity and I tried my best to keep it clean. Now we're going to light this candle that I got from Home Goods. It was like $6.99. It smells amazing. 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 Yeah, that's a little storage container of all the smell goods that I have. And now we're going to fill up my aromatherapy machine. You know, just overdo it with the smell because we love it. We want to overdo it. And we're going to put on a pretty color. Pretty color. All right, you guys, and that's the end of my video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because if you don't subscribe, you already know you ugly. But I just wanted to show y'all how my vanity ended up looking. Like, this is a vibe. I love the vibe. This is how my drawers turned out. Yes, ma'am, because I'm an organized freak. And there's Bear again. Yes, and then that's the other side. But like I said a few seconds ago, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.